Hey. He lives there, he lives in a hole. He's only skinny, this one. It's a mutton bird there. Put him back down, see where he goes.
That's a good bird, mate. Look at that. Money.
We have a weave on there. Oh no, there it is. The robins follow you everywhere when you're on the ground, eh? Getting all the little bugs after you finish in the hole.
Yeah.
Good morning. Yeah, morning. Well, this is good. And we'll go bunkers tomorrow way. Okay, 12:30 and going to go bunkers tomorrow today. Yeah, right. Northwest 30 knots, becoming northerly 40 knots, but 30 knots east of Chester Point late this morning. Then easing to northwest 20 knots everywhere early this afternoon. Chasing southeast 15 knots this evening. Still becoming very rough in the west for a time, and westerly swell rising to 6 metres. Poor visibility and periods of rain.